I'm going to show you how to sharpen your chainsaw blade. Is really easy. So you need a file like this. This is a chainsaw blade sharpening file. It's basically just a round file. That's all it is, and that's all you need. So basically, if you look at the way the chain is, so if you look here, this little point here, so this actually is what cuts. That one cuts, and that one cuts. All the stuff in the middle is basically just guides. That's all that is. It's guides to take the chain so it can cut it. So all you're going to do is you're going to take this and you're basically going to find one of these guys. You can always tell because there's not a point right here. And then you're just going to take this, stick it up in here like so. So let me see. Stick it down in there like that. And you're basically going to sharpen it until this little edge is sharp. You can basically feel it with your finger. So like this one right here is really sharp. Looks good. So you can only sharpen a blade so much, but it's easy to do like after you cut. So I would definitely sharpen, like before you put your chainsaw up, just sharpen the blade. Now I'm guilty of not doing that. This chain is like really worn out. But so if you notice, every other tooth is aimed the other way. So this point's on this side, this point's on this side. So you take your sharpener, you stick it down in here, sharpen this way. And you move on and you sharpen this way. Making sure you get a good edge on it. And then when you're done, if you want to move the chain forward, this little hook right here on the chain, right there, if your sharpener's in there, you can just push forward and the chain will actually move. So that way you can just move the chain forward and move on to the next, one. So you can just slowly move that around. That's a little bit harder because of the way my chainsaw is sitting. But yeah, that's pretty much it. There's not much to sharpening a chain. This is pretty much the only tool you need. And as long as you keep it nice, with these points are nice and sharp, it'll cut good. And that's pretty much it. Not much to it. Just make sure you do that. Grease it up. And this one needs to be clean. So I'm going to take this apart, shoot it down with WD-40, clean it all the way out, and then re-grease the whole thing with bar oil. And then it should be good. It's an older chainsaw. It's been through a lot, but it's been a good chainsaw. Hopefully it helps. You guys take it easy. Peace.